Escalation Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay. I'm up.
Come. Why you come?
Hey.
What's wrong? So what's wrong? Huh? If you want to sleep, then you can sleep. I'm sure you have another way you're going to get your transportation to go and write your exams then.
Excuse me.
Oh, you're up? You're up now.
You're playing, right?
Come here.
No.
Then I'm sure you heard what I said then.
You don't mean it.
Every single word I do.
What? You mean what? No. Stop playing with me.
I'm not playing with
Because
you.
I didn't let you touch me?
You spent the whole night in my bed.
So? Are we supposed to do something in the bed?
Really?
I'm asking. What were you expecting?
So it's just me who feels that way.
We had a good night's sleep. Why are you bringing this up?
Wow. So I'm alone in this. I didn't know. But yeah, you still have to find another way to get your
Alright.
transport then.
Don't stress.
Oh, wait, I'm 19. Can't you change?
I can change outside.
And you left your phone. No. Sorry, she left it. Call.
Each day with me, Come in.
Come on, I'm not here to ask for anything. I don't know. I want you. That's why I'm here. I don't know if the feeling is mutual going. I just don't know. That's why I brought my bags here.
Each day within me, I fight a battle. Maybe I'm not good enough
I feel exactly the same way you feel.
You do.
I'm just a little confused because you're not stable. You need to be stable. I can help you be stable. Look, truth is, I love you. I don't know if you feel the same way, but that's how I feel.
Why am I here?
You promise me you're going to be stable?
Yes, I promise.
Sure?
I'm sure.
Can I take you away?
it's alright. Tell me it's okay. Oh, I need someone to hold my hand. And tell me it's alright. Tell me it's okay.
Come on!
I want another one in the kitchen.
I don't wanna.
Okay.
I didn't sign up for that.
I'll just go like first half 45 minutes. No extra time. And then I'll come back second half and score a hat trick. I'm naughty like that.
Alright, I think that would do.
Wow. Why have you been hiding all this from me? Wait, so... No, I'm jealous. Who was there before me?
Must we talk about it now?
Okay, I can imagine. Anyway, nah, I won't talk about that. So we go into the kitchen?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll give you like 5 minutes so you can just cool down. You need to. The AC's on and still sweating. Oh, so you're the bedroom bully. It's you, it's not me. You are the bedroom bully.
I wish you could take a nap. Oh.
So you want to take a nap? Kitchen, hall, in the car,
Lobby.
and the lobby. And the bedroom is like the first place. You don't need the bedroom anymore.
No.
You're really sweating. That's what it's turning me on.
You can just go.
Purchase your tracks today.
I did. She did. What did you talk? Master, you know be serious. How go sack him? Bro, I don't go fit sack him. Come on. I woman that too. I'm a serious girl, you know. So stop pretending. Bro, Jai Kazana and me can I say she I don't go fit sack him. I'm sacking. No, they no bad. Now one guy's away. Where you today she come. Only me be job to mommy, I go meet you for there. Me you say me self as I go meet you. Man endorse, now me dey come. Okay, Matty. Okay. I say I no go sack him. I already. You I go see you. Right. Alright.
Me aware. So I draw any. He did your face talk full brushing. Cedric.
Yeah, man.
I hope you're good.
Oh, solid.
That's what's up.
They're strong, bro.
Oh, hey, we had mommy see ya. The many are John. Me cast him to know tea, and I'm a cast him to know far. Never more so G.
And I'll probably guess what? Breakfast in bed. Once I said to breakfast, I'm down, just said feeling good. The morning after the good night. And I was like,
so, it's your way.
Breakfast in bed, no, how you am? She's in my bed, bro.
What else will you No, what else will?
Of course.
Hey, my guy, I don't know how. Debut, what else will you already?
So we should go do my there for a while.
How? Batman, I don't want him again or the human and now. When you always again or the human and now, and besides, a format in the dino. It's woman who was saying. No, life is in.
What did you talk?
Man, wait!
Man, cousin. But you know my first time, I feel, also the bed 3 days being
3 days like how? Nipano, a human or dinner, and yes, you actually supported format, and a human dinner. It is what your human we are not money could feel. Or 2 hours to wedding. Massa, Paman and Co. Ponoco Paman goes on to me, swap. Young Konami has a man called Paman to feel. Massa, sorry, me uncle.
See, Nipan, one chair, then I'll
sorry, my uncle. I do my bam with your human area, made you man gossip, and I didn't see. Sorry, my uncle. Mahonia having uncle. Hey, now do I do my bam with your human area? See, so you. While friendly Panassia, where we are, so I do my bar. But now here now, young one or to wedding. What can you read? The most important things in our house. So, what can you that your young call?
See? Yeah, that's my friend. See the one I've been telling you about.
Okay.
See? I said, yeah, but I'm not going to anymore. See? That's my baby, Naya. You okay?
Yeah. Did you get the money?
Mommy. We be deal me boy. Hey, I'm talking to look at my real face. Mommy, we be deal me boy. Just a one or 7 players. Hey, 7 minutes, my guy. Allow me to talk. Hey, Cedric, allow me to talk. Mommy, say who nim yansa, ye nim yansa chen. Just a oba no be say mo agono. Oba no be say mo adwono. What do I bring na be place can be digis can be fu.
Say, this is what me you talk for.
My guy, allow me to talk.
You
can't talk, let me talk for you. What's the same now in the air to be anymore? A dear way, and I will deal them the cost to be a minimum. Take your phone, give me. And I can see him the way. Oh, can see him the way. Text messages up, or text more ex in me away. Wouldn't mamma catch you? Well, I forgot like I said, did you get the money? Nonsense.
See,
I beg, wait. Hey, see. You told me about this. Yamina Chiaoka. When you can spread the mount. Once the crony be the mount. My guy, or dim was a small mamma can't train off. How John lies, yolo line, and you didn't know. Mamma can't train off.
I can't say maybe you.
Say, did you get the money? When you can spread the mount. About to say one number by say on say moi juntino as I did get the money. Shame on you. Oh, shame on you, Moleles. Hey, Cedric. If you ask me a far down for say, Sadam for ye be na say, Adam for ni answer down for Chradam for. We are more than brothers.
You serious girl?
Then what Nagin and allow him to go.
I won't take opposition why you cool. Then who am I saying? You serious girl?
It would say only your line. Who's your answer?
Brafi na only in Kasa come by introduction who here now over no man crown. Then no.
Debbie, me man wine crown. T nipa that's 1 year word on it will be Jimmy. 1 year word will be Jimmy. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey,
I know they like
hey, come and sit down. I command you, Echo, sit down. You don't know what, Maninko.
what the same
Maninko.
movement which was also no.
Oh,
She loves me. What's your problem?
Oba, oh no, Oba na had been now. Oba, why na had you see? Ubebubu na na ope.
Boss.
Cedric,
You know be so. I don't know him one. Let me just help her.
relax it. Meaning ye may. And don't you say being previous, or for madam phone. Relax it. I'm drinking.
Yeah. 500 and I'm man very fair. Why? Would you have 100 pay? Why?
Hey. Any Jimmy? Hey, Cedric! Massa, allow him to go. Again, there is no way to overwhelm. Oh, yeah, you are bad. Easy. So,
Charlie, you spoil my movement. Dude.
What's
same movement?
Bema, T, just watch me. The thing you are doing, if you say will help you. And if I say one sideline, it may be moved. Yeah. You say, yeah, 2024 and be your Jim Sweet. Hey, Jim Sweet.